Binance tutorial for beginners. In this video, I will guide you on how to complete identity verification and claim your $100 bonus on the app. Step 1. Click on the sign up link below in the video description or comment section to sign up and download the app. Step 2. Open the app on your phone, log in, and then tap on the Verify Identity button. Tap the Start Now button to begin the identity verification process. Step 3. Select your country of residence. Ensure it matches your ID documents. Choose your document type and tap Continue. Step 4. Enter your personal information and click Continue. Please ensure all information entered matches your ID documents. Step 5. Take pictures of your ID document. Please make sure that all the information on the document is visible and easy to read. Step 6. You'll need to complete a liveness check. Follow the instructions to take a video of yourself. After submitting your application, Binance will review your application and notify you of the verification status.
What is Binance?
Binance is the world's largest crypto exchange by trading volume, with $76 billion daily trading volume on Binance Exchange and 233 million users worldwide.
What do I need to do to sign up and download the app?
There are 2 ways to download the app. Option 1. The app download sign-up link is located in the description and comments sections below this video. Option 2. Visit leonacademy.org to find a one-stop resource for app download registration links and in-depth instructional materials. Clicking the sign-up link will reveal a page with a white or black backdrop. Enter your correct email address or phone number in the provided field, and then click on the Next button below. After registering, the system will redirect you to the email verification page. Open your email to check the account activation code, then copy the sequence of numbers. After copying the sequence of numbers, paste it into the verification code field below. Click Next to complete the process. The next step is to create a strong password. Make sure it's at least 8 characters long and includes a mix of upper and lowercase letters as well as numbers. Finally, click the Next button to complete the account registration and proceed to the app download page. Once you've finished registering, you'll be taken to the welcome page. Just click Next to continue. To finish, tap on the Download button to get the app on your phone.
Can you show me how to deposit, withdraw, and trade spot and futures?
In the next videos, I'll walk you through how to deposit, withdraw, and trade spot and futures. It's a simple process, and I'll make sure to explain every step clearly.
How can I download apps and step-by-step guides?
To get started, visit leonacademy.org to download your apps and complete guides. If you enjoyed this video, show us some love by hitting the like button. And don't forget to subscribe to Leon Academy's YouTube channel to catch the next videos.